Hello, how's it going? I'm going to do a brief introduction to WordPress. That means kind of logging in and doing a kind of an overview of the admin panel. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is access. Right now, the site is on our server, which we host at velvet8media.com. But we made a development site for you, for Phara, which is this, the phara.velvet8media.com. When we hand over the site to you, obviously it's not going to be this URL. This is going to change, okay? And I'm pointing that out because how you access a WordPress site is always the same, meaning it's the URL and then /WP-admin. It's always the URL. And I'm bringing that up because when I turn it over to you, what happens a lot with clients is they go to log in and they're like, hey, I can't log in, it's giving me an error. But what's happening is they're logging into their dev URL instead of their current one. So for instance, if your site is, Joe's Plumbing, right? If I could spell here. If that's the website and it was WordPress, it would be .com/WP-admin, right? So I'm going over that because your address is going to change. So right now I'm going to give you access to the site. You can go around, you can update stuff, change things, whatever else. But just remember, when we port it over to you, this will change. And the only thing you're going to have to do is type in your URL and then /WP-admin. All right. Once that happens, you will get an access screen like this. You just type in the user information. We'll log in. And basically what you're going to see is the dashboard. And the main point of emphasis is this left toolbar. For the most part, all these extra items you're not going to be messing with. Such as your appearance or your user. Well, we might use users, tools, things like that. And I'm going to cover videos to go over the sections that you yourself are going to be working on. Your pages. For instance, if you want to edit the homepage, banner image. Maybe you want to edit your menu, things like that. We'll cover that in other tutorial videos. We'll break it down for you. So pages will be a big point of emphasis for you. Your cart, if you need to add new items, we'll cover that as well. And then I'll come back to users. I want to make a point here is right now we just have a base setup website, and you can see it's got a generic email, a fake email. Got your name in there. At some point, you can edit this to change the password if you'd like. You can even add a new user. Just click Add New and follow the directions. It's really easy. But what you don't want to do is delete out this user. So if you want to come in and you want to change the email address, which I recommend you should do. You should do that for notifications. You want to change the email address. You want to change the password for it. You want to change the name under it. You can do all that. And just come in here and update your profile. But don't ever delete this user. It's the main user, and deleting it will break your site. It will straight up break your site. So what I do suggest is maybe making a new one for yourself. All right, you can click Add New, and you just come in here, add your username, your email, and then what you're going to want to do for you yourself is make sure it's set to Administrator. Administrator gives you the power to edit and control everything. If you accidentally set yourself as a subscriber or a contributor or something, you're going to log in, and then the majority of this left panel is going to be missing. You're not going to be able to do anything. Okay, that's it for now. I don't want to really overload you with anything else beyond that. It's going to give you a quick rundown of actually accessing the back end and where to start. That will do it.